too. It's kind of dark, but watch this. Hi! Hi! Hold on. Hi! Hi, you missed me, didn't you? You missed me, didn't you? Hi! What? 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 Hi! Oh, you definitely missed me. Hi! Hi! What? He's a good girl. Hi. Oh, you missed me. You definitely missed me. I've been gone for a while. Hi. Oh, I'm stuck. Hi. Hi. I missed you too. I'm gonna get you some food, okay? She's out of food. I know! I'm gonna get you some food. Alright. Well, I'm coming back, I promise. She misses me so much and she needs food and water. So, you know, do that. So that's gonna be the end. I know that was kind of short, but I wanted to show you that she meows at me. No, she misses me. Because I just got her, so. Alright. Get your clothes skin on YouTube and then we'll be done. You can't go out there! No! Luna's out! Alright, so, bye.